y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about my natural hair, and I'm going to give a natural hair update. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so people who've been watching my channel know that I've been natural for like maybe, I think it's 3 years now. This past October made it 3 years, and we followed like the growth of my hair, and I did my big chop on here. If you haven't seen my big chop, I guess I'll link it below. But my hair is really healthy and very thick. It's been growing really good and everything. So my problem with my hair is I love it. Well, I really do love my hair. It's just getting to a point where it's like so hard to deal with and so hard to manage. It's so thick and like, oh, I just hate doing it. I hate washing it. I hate blow drying it. So I decided that I was gonna try dreads. I think I want to do it. I thought about it for like a week, and I was like, you know what? I think I want to, dread my hair. So I did some research on different ways to start dreads, and I seen where you can like do your hair in 2-strand twists and then let them lock up like that, and they'll be dreads. So that's what I decided to do, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna let them lock up. They actually swollen a lot since the first time since I did them, which was like a month ago. So basically what's gonna happen is the older they get, the fatter they will get, and of course the longer they'll get. And these little lines you see, they're gonna all mat together like a dreadlock. And so this was my cheap, easy way of creating my dreads. My edges are bad because, like I said, it's been a month. So, but this is how my new growth looks within a month. I haven't washed it or anything. That's the back. I noticed afterward that I did kind of like the back bigger and the top like a little smaller. But I don't care. I'm cool with that. I mean, like, I don't have to do anything to my hair. So basically, starting your dreads like this, you're just putting your hair in twist and letting it dread up, letting it lock up. You wash your hair like this. You do everything, with your hair like this. I did mine kind of small, well, small to medium size because I wear a lot of wigs. And my wigs lay really flat, y'all, with these little twists in my head. I don't want to call them dreads yet because they're not. But they lay really, really flat and really nice, and it's super easy. I'm really excited. I was really surprised that they were this long. I think I'm gonna wait till like maybe month 2 to like retwist them. But I haven't been putting anything in it, just wild growth oil. See how, look, that's what you wanted to do. Like, you wanted to start matting up and stuff. Y'all, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate all the support. Everybody who watched my videos, who's already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all guys later.